Hi, my delicious morsels. I'm coming at you with another keyboard sound test. Now, this is my precious little baby, Lotus. This is a D45 from KBDfans that I got off the aftermarket, and I love it so much. So basically, we're just gonna go straight into the sound test instead of you guys hearing me whine and fuss over this thing. If you want to know anything about the specs, please check the description down below. And without further ado, without further delay, this prop mama is gonna get into the sound test.